Good job.
When I was a student, I was looking for a cheap table that's easy to build, one that I can fold away when I don't need it, because my space was very limited. Coming up with a design that is both mechanically strong but doesn't require a crazy amount of material to be printed was quite a tough challenge. But it somehow worked out, and for the last 5 years I've been using this as my main table, believe it or not. One day an electrician came by, and the first thing he said after seeing the table was, "You're a carpenter and this is your table?" So a friend of mine is visiting and we wanted to upgrade.
Like that. What is better, then you don't have to have.
Sand out of sound for the word between the worlds. Chance it repeats as the boundaries start to swirl. Keep to the call that is twice not letting it all. It's not the same. Now the trails into the outer regions. Echoes from the other world. Turn horizons into endless ever-present. Echoes, many other worlds. True horizons start to turn. Those names with the force of the night wave. Keep to the call that's repeated in the outer regions. Echoes from the other world. Turn horizons into endless ever-present. Many other worlds. True horizon takes a turn. Echoes reflect and change their surroundings. Echoes reflect and change their surroundings.
So the new 3D prints allow you to use much bigger wooden dowels as the legs for the table. If you really insist on building a table that's as cheap as possible, then go ahead and use 25mm dowels or whatever broomsticks you can find. And for the tabletop itself, I would use 12mm plywood, nothing thinner than that. In every other case though, I would recommend you to use 35mm hardwood dowels, and for the tabletop at least 15mm plywood. With this combination it's not crazy heavy, so you can still somewhat comfortably carry it. Now the only thing that was left to do was to give the old table a proper send-off. Fucking amazing project.
It was really good. And actually it came from me needing a table, so.
Rest in peace, Mark 1.